morning and happy Sunday. A beautiful day in store for us. We could use some rainfall, but while we have these mild conditions, enjoy it. We're crossing into the low to mid 60s today with sunshine. Well, a sprinkle or two possible tomorrow morning, but a more substantial rainfall, which is the kind of rain we need, is in the forecast for Thursday. We're breaking down the timeline on WCVB.
Yesterday, low pressure was a little bit farther westward, so we had that squeeze effect between high and low pressure, leading to some really gusty winds. Today, area of low pressure is shifting farther east. The wind is easing some, so it's not going to be as much of a factor today. Wind gusts topping out near 20 miles per hour, so that's going to be a weaker wind that will greet you compared to yesterday's wind gusts over 30 miles per hour at times. As a result, we do not have a red flag warning today, but we still have other issues that we're watching here leading to that elevated risk of fire weather. Of course, the most widespread issue here is the severe drought, but we're also dealing with dew point temperatures in the teens. So that means the air is incredibly dry and crisp. And of course, all those dry leaves on the ground that could serve as a source of ignition. It's a dry fall so far. We're now in first place for driest falls to date for Boston, where we're sitting nearly 7 inches below normal. For Worcester, that number is about 9 inches below normal. We are also in first place for Worcester as far as driest falls to date. No sign of rain today. Quite the opposite. Sunshine prevails as we cross into the 60s, just about 62 for Boston, which is about 10 degrees above average. But some of the warm spots through the Merrimack Valley and along 95 could reach to the mid 60s today, 50s down toward Cape Cod and the islands. Clouds start to move in overnight tonight into tomorrow with the chance for a sprinkle or two tomorrow morning. Those clouds keep us closer to 40 overnight, but I want to time out just a few sprinkles here. You'll see that between 7 to 10, mainly north of the border into New Hampshire, and then we clear out quickly in the afternoon, so that's not going to amount to much. Landfall shortly expected with Tropical Storm Sarah. Now this moisture is one that we're hoping to tap in on. All of that is working over the Gulf as it starts to circulate toward Florida this week. And with a cold front cutting across the country, that will serve as a pathway for that moisture to work toward us as we move toward Thursday, which does appear to be our wettest day of the 7-day forecast. Looking to get a nice substantial rainfall with that. Still looking unsettled for Friday and Saturday. We could use more rain, and it does appear that it's